8 days since the commencement of Operation Linda Nchi, the Kenya Defence Force continues getting support in the fight against the Al-Shabaab. The French naval gunship patrolling Somali water bombarded the town of Kude, which is south of Kismayo, one of Al-Shabaab's strongholds. Casualty figures have not yet been confirmed, but the French Navy is expected to give an assessment report soon. Kenyan troops in cooperation with the Transitional Federal Government of Somali forces have currently occupied Odo and are closing into Burgavo town. Business is said to have resumed in the town of Odo, and residents there are requesting for the opening of the border. The Al-Shabaab militants are believed to be heavily regrouping in Bulhaji and moving towards Afmado, but army officers are expressing confidence that they are now in a better position to maneuver thanks to the subsiding rains. Some of the Kenya Defence Forces troops have also moved through Elwak, 35 kilometers inside Somalia, with the intent of capturing Busar. The military say will continue until Al-Shabaab threat has been neutralized. US drones, African Union soldiers, Somali troops and now the French Navy are the other forces targeting the Al-Shabaab militants. Irene Choge, NTV.